Hello students, welcome to the E-class of computers. Today we'll start with chapter number 1, Evolution of Computers. Now the name of the chapter is Evolution of Computers. What is the meaning of the topic here? What is the meaning of the name of the chapter? Here evolution refers to the gradual development of something, a slow and steady development of something, and something here refers to computers. So a slow and steady development of computer is known as evolution. And computer, we all are aware, computer is a fast calculating machine which could perform different operations given to it by the human being. Then, as we all know about computers, but still some of you might be unaware about computers, so let us learn what is computer. Computer is an electronic device that manipulates information or data. It has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. See, computer is an electronic device. Why? Because it works on electricity. Then secondly, it manipulates information. Whatever the information or data we are providing to the computer, it stores within itself, then it processes that particular data into output. Whatever input refers to information, and that information the computer is able to process as a result, which is referred to as output. And it could even retrieve the data which is lost by us accidentally. It can even retrieve that data. We can use a computer to type documents, send email, play games and browse the web. So playing games on computers, every one of you is aware. Then we can type documents in Microsoft Word, then we can send emails to each other, and then we browse the web means browsing so many web browsers like Chrome and so other things. We can also use it to edit or create spreadsheets, presentations and even videos. You can even create and make videos. Presentations can also be made with the help of computer. So this was all about computers. It is an electronic device that manipulates the information given by the user, and it has the ability to store, retrieve and process data. The first topic which we are going to study is the early computing devices. The first computing device is abacus, second Napier's bones, third Pascaline, fourth Jacquard's card, next one difference engine, and the last one is analytical engine. Now we'll study in detail about all of these computing devices. The very first one is abacus. It was invented in China more than 5,000 years ago. And abacus was able to perform simple calculations, addition and subtraction. So abacus was invented by the Chinese before 5,000 years, and it was able to perform addition and subtractions. Then abacus in the previous years, when invented by the Chinese, it looked like this. Second computing device was Napier's bones. Napier's bones was invented by Sir John Napier in 1616. Napier's bones was a calculating device. It used marked strips of wood or bone side by side to multiply and divide. Basically, this Napier's bone, the specific functions to do was to do multiplication and division. It can perform all the four functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now the question arises, why The name Napier's bone was kept by Sir John Napier. Since Napier's was his surname, so he kept the name as Napier's. But why bones? Because this device was made up of carved bones. Due to this fact, the device is known as Napier's bones. Then Pascaline. In 1642, a French mathematician Blaise Pascal invented the Pascaline at the age of 19 years. Pascaline was invented by French mathematician Blaise Pascal when he was only of 19 years. And it was the first mechanical and automatic calculator. It was a wooden box that could only add and subtract by means of a series of gears and wheels. So this calculator was made up of by a series of gears and wheels. Somewhat this was Pascaline, how it looked like. Then difference engine. Difference engine was invented by English mathematician Charles Babbage in 19th century, and this difference engine was used to calculate mathematical tables. But the problem with this engine was that it was unable to give the accurate answer. So in order to rectify this problem, Charles Babbage invented another engine named as analytical engine. In order to rectify the problem of accuracy which was there in difference engine, Charles Babbage invented another engine named analytical engine. Then it was a mechanical computer that could solve any mathematical problem. This was the analytical engine, and it at that time it had almost all parts of a modern computer. So that's why only Charles Babbage is known as the father of computers, because this engine was invented so many years back in 19th century, but till then this analytical engine was having all the parts of a modern computer which we are using right now. Now moving on towards your home assignment. The very first question is, what is abacus? We have already learned about abacus, so you are supposed to write down about abacus. Then who invented Napier's bones? And the first calculator. Name the first calculator. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.